Hi everyone, in this video I will go briefly over the Makeover Monday homework and how to go about it. So this is the link that I have provided to you, but before we go into the link, what is really needed as a submission is to, after you go through the data set that will be provided, that you will select from this website, then you will need to create your makeover, your redesign of that visualization in a way that you think is much better than what was originally done. So then you save your Tableau, uh, packaged Tableau file, and submit it into this Dropbox. So that's kind of briefly about what is needed for submission. So you can feel free to do the submission into the website as well that they have there. But what I really need from you for grading is this packaged Tableau file to be submitted into this Dropbox. So now going into the details of what we mean here by Makeover Monday, this is a really beautiful website that provides you with data sets, actually with the story that has been published in a newspaper or in a magazine or in a website online or in a report, and shows you a visualization, and it gives you access to the data set that was used for that particular visualization, and then you will get the chance to redesign that visualization and then compete with others. So this will be great after you, even after you complete this course, just to keep up to date, to polish your skills in visualization. I would recommend that you do this, every now and then. So those are some more details here about it. I will let you read them. But what we really need, what is really important, at least for the sake of this assignment, is to go to participate, and then you might actually be asked to create an account with them here, which should be something simple. So you click on the data sets, and then you will see data sets almost every week every week they have a data set about a certain story. So now let's look at one example. uh, and by the way, you don't have to focus only on the week that we are on right now. You can select a data set or a story about any of the weeks in 2020 or 2019. So see if there is anything that interests you, please select it. So let me look at this example here. So the story is in one link, and then the data set is provided in another link. So let's click on this guy first. This is the story. So I highly recommend, and you must actually read the context that visualization was done in order to be able to know or to figure out how you are going to redesign it. So this is about the carbon footprint of your food, and then it shows you a data visualization. So there are a lot of issues in this data visualization based on what we have talked about throughout this class. So you will get the data set, you can download it from here, and then create a better design for this data set, for this visualization. You don't have so just be creative. Whatever story you want to focus on it. You don't have to show all the elements that they have here per se. If you have a better story about a particular thing about it, please do it. So it is up to your innovation and thinking outside the box. So please be innovative and feel free to do whatever you feel is a better story that you can present. So that's the story or the article that you will need to read, the context when for what this visualization was created, and then you can go then download the file. So the file is actually, this is the link to download it. You can look at this Excel file and see and explore it, learn more about it. So immerse yourself in this data set. That way, when you understand the data set, then you will be able to see what you can do with it, right? So that's kind of something helpful. Let's see here. So this is the data set they have, and then you can uh, play with it until you find something good. So we will use Tableau as required for this assignment. And then when you are done with your data visualization, you can feel free to to do the submission that they have here. But for us, again, what I really want is for you to submit your Tableau file here for me for grading. That's all that I wanted kind of to cover with you, and good luck to you.